can't see. I can't see. Just shoot. Shoot and run. Shoot and run. What is happening? Where am I? Holy cow, dude. This is stressful. Did I just go in a circle? Open! Energy. They don't hurt you, they just slime you. 4 minutes! I have 4 minutes, and I'm just going in circles. Maybe I should turn into a ball or something. Oh my gosh, how do I get out of here? Shoot! What? Oh wow. I'm running and shooting. Anything gets in my way. Uh-oh, I'm fading from reality. I'm fading. Come on, Samus. I thought I disabled those. Ah. Okay, we're okay. I thought I disabled the armor turrets. I don't have time to scan. Oh my gosh. Ah, man, they know how to induce stress on the player. Open sesame. What was that? I don't know. Follow it. Clear the path. Run, 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 run. I don't know where I am. What? I got 2 minutes! Oh man, I don't want to have to do this again. I'm uninstalling this game. Too stressed out. Oh, I made it! Come on, Samus. You go, girl. What is that? It's a pterodactyl. The fire. A fire-breathing pterodactyl. I'm gonna need a nap after this game. Holy cow, dude. What? I still gotta go. What is that? What? What is that? What? A grappling hook. Let go! I have a grappling hook. Scan! Right? Oh, I'm under pressure. Good. Where do I go, man? I'm so confused. I'm stuck in here. Oh gosh. Scan. I'm gonna run out of time. Holy cow, breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Why do people think this is fun? This is stressful. My life is flashing before my very eyes. It is kind of fun in a sadistic way. What? Missile malfunction. Charge beam. I'm braking! I got 1 minute. Where do I go? Oh my gosh, I am so stressed out right now. Where do I go? Why do they make this so hard? Room is depressurizing. 30 30 seconds, come on! I don't have my supercharged beam. 30 seconds, man! Please, I don't want... Everything's blowing up. I have definitely never made it this far in my life. Get down there. This game's actually pretty awesome. It's just terrifyingly stressful. Pirate frigate escaped. The pirates have escaped. Oh, my knuckles. Ah. I barely escaped with the skin on my teeth. Or the plaque. Tracking on enemy target has been lost. Ground and base recon required. Begin landing sequence. Go! This game is pretty awesome, man. Just like... It's hard to play it calmly. Should I get the full version or this is the full version? The HD version? I don't know, I'm terrified playing this, so maybe I'll just keep this version. I like the atmosphere, how it's just so, like, if you don't get through, you're gonna die. Tallon Overworld. Man, the Wii just kicks butt. Come on, Nintendo. I got all three of these games. I'm gonna be doing this for a while. Yes. Game has been saved. There's a door over there. Oh, ooh, there's doors everywhere. What the heck? Scan time. This is to scan. Red starbursts enable flowers to bloom seasonally, considered a delicacy in many territories. That's the flower? What? Scan time. It's out of range. Let's go. Tallon IV, non-toxic variety. Oh, it's just plants. Just plants. Oh wow, you can swim? Let's go fishing. Am I gonna die in here? What a jerk. Tormenting the alien wildlife. How do I jump again? How do I get out of here? Help! Watch me, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Because I don't know how to get out of the water. What is that? I want to scan it, man. What is this stuff? Looks like a blue eyeball is staring at me. Well, let's go explore. That's what we're here for. We have to recon or regroup or something. What is this? What is this? Nothing. Entry has been downloaded into your logbook. Or you can't just tell me what it is? A ball cap, ball cap, ball cap. It's a baseball cap. Am I dying? What? Oh, I gotta stop. Oh, they explode. Woocha! Do that again. Which one's jump again? Well, look at me. I killed a couple flowers, man. I'm a mighty warrior. Dun, dun. What am I supposed to do in here? Is this where I came from? Yes, that's where I came from. There's nothing in here. Oh. Oh, secret passageway. How do I make the ball? I don't have a ball thing anymore. How do I duck?